high volume of fabricators that we go into don't have systemised process. We regularly see that the spreadsheet is king, and it terrifies us because ultimately we know what it takes over time to drive that spreadsheet. What may seem as an initial concept, as a simplistic option, put it on a spreadsheet, soon becomes this thing that is cumbersome. You need to employ somebody to push figures around on, you need somebody to update all the time. If somebody forgets to do something, it's all out of date and everything goes to, out the window. And you would be surprised there are larger businesses out there that aren't necessarily using systemised process. What we offer at almost every level is the customer the ability to jump onto that systemised process, to improve what they do. Because it is a modular based system or a subscription based model, depending on where you want to be, you can choose to step on board with that. So we can handhold new customers and take them through a journey. They might just want to start with a simple configurator and they've got a chop saw and they've got 3 or 4 people, to maybe the mid-range fabricators that have got 4 or 5, 6 processors, that have got 20 or 30 people on the shop floor, to the super fabricators that have got hundreds of people on the shop floor and 40, 50 people processing windows. At every level we've got a product suite that can slip in, be customised to suit the need, and then we'll deliver return and give them the ability to work smarter, better, and get a greater reward from what they're actually doing. There is always a niche market in fabrication, that people find that they can do something in a small process environment. The issue that you face there is that they may not be here tomorrow. So I'll use a pivot door as an example. We see fabricators that have seen a given market, say within the M25 circle, that creating a pivot door has a high profit return margin. It can be created with 1 to 3 people within a small fabrication space, and that gives a good return. But if that picks up momentum, the cost of that will drop. The volume will need to be increased, and at which point that fabrication team no longer have the expertise or the systems to be able to carry on producing that, because they'll be swallowed up by the larger entities that do have that, and they're able to produce that niche product but at a better ticket price. So at every level, Window Designer can deliver benefits for all these businesses.